Good morning, Achieve. Hey, it looks like my phone might be sideways. There. I'm gonna hold on for just a second here and see if somebody, if everything's sideways, let me know and I'll try and fix it. Hey, good morning, Achieve. It's March 23rd. We have a beautiful spring day today. It's time for morning assembly. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Oh, Liz is saying that it is sideways. Let me try and turn it around here and see if it even rotates. Okay. Did it rotate? And if I am rotated, I might not be able to get it back on the tripod here. Who knows? But that's okay. Okay. Mrs. DeFreitas says I'm back. Okay. I can't get it back on the tripod, so I'll just hold it and try not to be too shaky, even though I've been drinking coffee for hours this morning. Hey, good morning. I miss you guys. I'm excited to talk to you again this morning. Our virtue this week is perseverance, but first, let's start with a couple birthday shout outs. Speaking of Liz, hey, you've got a birthday, and also it's Jonathan's birthday today, so happy birthday, you guys. I hope you have a great day today. Weather a little bit. Our virtue this week is perseverance. Here's the definition of perseverance. Perseverance is being purposeful and steadfast. It's sticking to something, staying committed no matter how long it takes or what obstacles appear to stop you. A good example is the story of the tortoise and the hare. Even though the tortoise was slower than the hare, he won the race because he persevered. He didn't let anything stop him or distract him, and he kept on going. So that's our definition of perseverance. Ooh, I see the Gates boys are on. Good morning, Gates boys. Also, good morning to the Brookses and everybody else. Hi, Mrs. Laufer. So, if you don't know the story of the tortoise and the hare, here's the short version. And I'll see if I can get my phone to stop shaking so much. The short version is this. All of the animals are hanging out, and the rabbit, or the hare, is running around like crazy and bragging about how fast he is. So he challenges all the animals to a race, and they step up to the starting line, and none of the animals want to race him, but the hare convinces the tortoise to race. And of course, the hare thinks this is going to be the easiest race he's ever had. He doesn't even have to try hard. Anybody can beat a turtle in a race, right? So they take off in the race, and of course, we all know the rest of the story. The hare is excited, lots of enthusiasm like we talked about last week. He starts strong, he takes off on a sprint, but he doesn't maintain his speed. He gets distracted, he stops for a nap. Different versions of the story have him stopping for a lunch or stopping by a lake, and he does a whole bunch of other things while the tortoise just keeps plodding along at his turtle pace without any breaks, without giving up, and eventually wins the race. And that's kind of what perseverance is like. And I wanted to encourage you this week. You're probably going to have some things, students, that get hard and get in your way this week. So persevere, stick with it. Don't give up. Push through those challenges. Take a break if you need it. Don't take the kind of break that the hare took. Like, don't take a nap and forget to go back to what you're working on. But do take a little break. Get some help if you need it. Your teachers are all ready to give you some help. Your parents are ready to give you some help. Get what help you need. Stick with it. You'll feel so proud when you're finished. Just do whatever it takes. Just don't give up. And parents, a little encouragement for you this morning. I think there's another important life lesson there in the tortoise and the hare, which is the tortoise started slow. The tortoise didn't take off at a sprint. Start slow this week if you need to. Some of you parents just took off last week and you're rocking that home learning. For other people, I'll put myself in this one. There were some challenges involved last week. We had to learn how to work from home. We had to put a lot of things in place so we could work from home. And now we're going to embrace this time of working and trying to school our kids while we're at home. So start slow this week. Try and work up to a couple hours of academics each day, but don't feel like you have to hit that mark right from the start. Start slow and that's how you'll be able to finish the race. That's what I've got for you this morning. It's a beautiful spring day. I hope everybody can get out and enjoy the day. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk to you about my review of Frozen 2, what I like about Frozen 2, what I like about Anna, and I like Elsa too. I just have always been a little bit more of an Anna fan. We'll talk about Frozen 2 tomorrow. We'll talk about Perseverance and my favorite line from the movie. Talk to you guys later. Bye.